Hey, it's Scott at Pro Country. St. Charles, Minnesota is where we are. We're at the shop. The Dan and Mary Joe Schweitzer Harley Davidson shop. And man, do we have a treat for you. Over 500 lots offered out of this custom cycle shop. Dan has discontinued his custom shop business, and as a result, we're going to be selling his used parts inventory, his custom tool inventory, a couple motorcycles, a couple vehicles, and much more. If you are anything Harley Davidson, this auction is a must-see for you. Again, over 500 lots offered. We're in St. Charles, Minnesota. The online auction is going to end Wednesday, August 13th. And for more information, you go to ProCountryAuction.com.